helping you better understand lead generation with these simple to follow tips. When you are in sales, making it big isn't easy. You have to focus on each facet of your job, starting with lead generation. Want to use this technique to better your business? The tips and tricks in this video will give you the power to optimize your lead generation. Make an offer to potential leads that is hard to refuse. This can be a discount, a giveaway, or some source of information that they've been dying to have. It needs to be relevant to them, or else you'll never get them to respond. Try a few different things to see what works the best. Create engaging content. Lead generation relies a lot on building trust with your product or service. Smart targeted content does a lot to help get you there. Your target audience will be more likely to do business with you if they feel you are providing great service and that you legitimately care. Don't forget about having a follow-up plan. Once you have generated some leads, it is important to remember that you need to turn those leads into paying clients or customers. Have a plan in place so that you can begin that work as soon as you get some quality leads. The best way to generate leads is to ask people you know for referrals. It doesn't matter if you're a wedding planner or a car salesman, let people know what you do and ask if they know anyone who may need you. They might not today, but they might in the future. Now that you know so much about lead generation, the next step is to go out and do what you can with your new techniques. Start bringing in more sales and more profits. In the end, the time you took to watch this video will bring you great success. Student loan.